Meaning of expense.
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 Expense. Expense refers to the cost or expenditure incurred in the process of achieving a particular objective. It is the amount of money, time, or effort that is required to attain a certain goal or complete a task. Expenses can be either direct or indirect, and they can be both fixed or variable. Direct expenses are those that are directly related to the production or sale of goods or services, while indirect expenses are those that are not directly related. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant regardless of the level of production, while variable expenses are those that change with the level of production. Overall, tracking and managing expenses is essential for effective financial management and budgeting.